There is no getting around the fact that spas, hot tubs and small pools can be very expensive. However, what if there was a way to reduce that cost as much as 80%? Well, there is a way. Build it yourself. That's right, build your own spa, hot tub or small pool yourself. Just look at the cost comparison. The store-bought small pool on the left completed and installed could easily be over $30,000. Whereas, the DIY small pool on the right was built, outfitted and completed for just under $7,000. For over 25 years, custom-built spas has been helping do-it-yourselfers save thousands of dollars on spas, hot tubs and small pools by building them themselves. Custom-built spas can supply information, instruction and free coaching help for your project. Visit the Custom Built Spas website today. View some of the dozens of completed customer spas and hot tub projects at their gallery. Take a few moments to read some of the customer testimonials sent to custom-built spas by many of their satisfied customers.